Hi everyone. I've done my taxes for the year and I'd like to share with you just quickly about this. This video is specifically for those who are in Canada, and I'm primarily focusing on recipients of the Ontario Disability Support Program and or Canada Pension Plan disability benefits. There's a website where you can do your taxes for free if you are receiving social assistance. The free edition is giving back to the community. It's based on the total income, and it's a very practical way of helping those who don't have the financial means of hiring a service that prepares them with a person. Before you begin, you need to have your name, address, social insurance number, date of birth, and then for those in Ontario, you need to have the T5007. That's the ODSP benefits statement and the Canada Pension Plan disability slip if it's applicable to you. So you start off by providing your basic contact details. You enter your name and the social insurance number and date of birth. This year's service has you search for the forms that you need to complete. So I had to search for the T5007, and then it's just a matter of copying the numbers and the dollar value onto the screen. Likewise, you do the same search for Canada Pension Plan disability benefits if it is applicable. I also need to remind you to apply for the Ontario Trillium benefit. It doesn't automatically come up. Last year's version of this brought you through several steps. Now they've made it more where you have to search and find the forms. So don't forget to apply for your Ontario Trillium benefit. For this, you need to know how much rent or property tax you paid, and there's also special provision for those who live on a reserve and those who live in the north and have a high energy bill. Canada Revenue Agency accepts income tax returned submitted through what's called NetFile. It's a paperless system. For Ontario, NetFile is open from 6 a.m. to 3 a.m. The way you know it's worked is you'll get a confirmation number that Canada Revenue Agency gave TurboTax, and then TurboTax gives it to you on your computer screen. Otherwise, you'll get a failure message. So I had both of these this year. I was up in pain and did my income tax, at 5:30 a.m. So when I first went to NetFile was closed for their daily maintenance. So I got the failure message, and then at 6:01 a.m. I was able to file my return and get my confirmation number. So a typical result from this will be a $0 refund. Canada Pension Plan disability benefits are taxable, but the reality is you haven't hit the minimum threshold, or haven't likely hit the minimum threshold to pay tax. The Ontario Disability Support Program benefits are not taxable. The benefit of doing your taxes is getting the Ontario Trillium benefit on the 10th of each month. and the GST credit every third month. The Ontario government just finished launching the Ontario Electricity Support Program. To apply, you need to either consent to your Canada Revenue Agency profile being accessed to verify your income during the previous year. And I do mean household income. It's not just you if you live with somebody. The Ontario Electricity Support Program is based on household income and number of occupants. If you're someone that doesn't keep your taxes up to date, the alternative is to present and apply for the Ontario Electricity Support Program at a kiosk in or near your community, where you present proof of the income that you earned during the previous year. There's more about this on the internet. That's what I have to share for today. It's just a quick overview. If you don't know what you're doing, then you're probably best to have someone else do it. I'm very aware of my situation, having done my taxes for several years, and I know what to look for. Thanks for this time together today. Bye for now.